And we actually build a process recognition system with agentic AI. This application I built here is showing on 3 different setups how it can track visually the process in the manufacturing floor. So here we have an automated process in the manufacturing engraving, and engraving is being tracked by camera that is on it, and it's tracking how well it is making marks. And when it's all marked, it gets 5 stars, and we have a live log out of this as well. So this could be on all kind of different processes or production flows where you can identify potential quality issues. Here's another take looking at the motor assembly where we have insertion of the bolts going on. It counts automatically how is it going with insertion. So 1, 2, 3 are already inserted. The next log, now it captures 1 more. And 1 more. Sequence complete, 8 balls out of 8. And here's one more example where we have both balls inserted, but also the tightening. And it counts automatically with vision how well it is performed. So as you can imagine, this is possible to apply to so many different applications within the production, within manufacturing floor, or just like physical product handling. It could be almost whatever, where you could have this setup running with the camera and checking the quality, especially if it's automated system. Like to my own background, being back at Lego, when you have 24/7 production, just running and running and running, and it's high volume, precision injection molding, but you have so many bricks through the production line, and you want to ensure the quality is consistent. And this kind of setup, when you teach it to understand what kind of errors are happening on your elements, that can happen on your elements, it can automatically spot those, and then we can make it a red light go up and ensure that the errors are spotted instead of being covered, and production continues running maybe with those errors that are visual, that we can catch. And I know it because even back from the production time, I noticed that you have just operators flow, and they would just go few times through the shift to check it. If they don't see those particular bricks where the error is, and it could be errors that are happening just from time to time, then it could be missed, or it could be first spotted much later in the process where the production already been going on for hours or days. Opportunity here to act fast on the errors within the production. Find the errors. Where is it happening? Why is it happening? Possible to automate this process. Feel free to check it out. I'll drop it as a link below so you can see for yourself, run through the video. It is also possible to upload your own video here if you press your video, so you can upload it. I cannot guarantee that it's going to work perfectly. So if you have some kind of sequence, you can test it out. But of course, the system has to be trained. Visual arrow and what is it tracking has to be trained on that particular situation. But if you're curious to know more, feel free to reach out to me or join the agentic community to learn more on how to make exactly this kind of applications. It's available now. It's not requiring very heavy team of visual engineers anymore to make this kind of applications. Thank you. See you in the next one.